What if I told you that robots protecting Buddha's sacred relics 2,500 years ago predicted exactly what AI drones are doing today? And what if 6 ancient Indian robot guardians could show us the future of technology? Welcome to our channel. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to meet 6 incredible robot characters inspired by ancient Indian legends and discover how 2,500-year-old stories predicted the exact AI revolution happening right now in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll understand why India's ancient robotics mythology holds the key to understanding where drones and AI are heading next. So grab some chai and let's journey from ancient Pataliputra to tomorrow's sky cities. Kushagra, the intelligent guardian. Meet our first character, Kushagra, whose name means sharp intelligence in Sanskrit. In ancient Buddhist texts, robots called Bhuta Vahana Yanta, or spirit movement machines, were described as mechanical warriors with whirling swords that guarded Buddha's sacred relics. These weren't just mythical creatures, they were detailed descriptions of autonomous machines that could make decisions, recognize threats, and adapt to changing situations. Kushagra represents this ancient vision of intelligent automation, embodying the same AI-powered decision-making capabilities that modern drones possess in 2025, 167-17-18. The legend tells us that these robot guardians were built using secret technology from Roma Visaya, the ancient Indian term for Greco-Roman civilization, and were designed to operate independently for centuries. This concept mirrors exactly what we see today with drone-as-a-service DaaS platforms that are redefining logistics, agriculture, and disaster response with reliable, autonomous solutions. Just as Kushagra was programmed to protect sacred treasures, today's AI-powered drones make real-time decisions, recognize objects, and even predict environmental changes without human intervention. 6-7-1 Meda, the Wisdom Keeper. Our second character is Meda, meaning wisdom and intellect. In the ancient texts, the Kathasarit describes an entire city populated by robots, where mechanical beings moved about, talked, and worked while being overseen by a master craftsman named Rajaddara. Meda represents this concept of collective robotic intelligence working in harmony. In 2025, we're seeing this vision come to life through swarm robotics, where groups of small, inexpensive robots coordinate to complete complex tasks collectively in applications ranging from precision farming to disaster response. 8-4-17. The parallel is striking. Just as Meda and her robotic city operated under intelligent coordination, modern drone swarms use AI to communicate and collaborate seamlessly. These systems demonstrate the same spirit movement that ancient Indian texts described, where mechanical beings could think, adapt, and work together toward common goals. The wisdom that Meda embodies is now being replicated in cloud robotics and remote monitoring systems that allow businesses to manage entire fleets of robots from a single dashboard. 3-4. Modern manifestations, the AI revolution. Praxi, the practical innovator. Praxi, whose name means intelligent and practical, represents the bridge between ancient automation dreams and modern reality. The ancient legend speaks of robot makers called Yantakara, who possessed secret knowledge of creating autonomous machines. Today's equivalent are the engineers and developers creating AI-powered robotics that are transforming industries from manufacturing to healthcare. In 2025, robots are no longer just programmed. They learn, adapt, and make decisions in real time, powered by generative AI models that enable them to simulate scenarios and respond intuitively to unpredictable environments. Praxi embodies this evolution from simple automation to intelligent adaptation. The ancient robots were described as being able to carry out trade and farming and capture and execute criminals. Modern equivalents include collaborative robots, cobots, that work safely alongside humans in retail, healthcare, and manufacturing, equipped with advanced sensors, vision systems, and real-time analytics. These machines demonstrate the same practical intelligence that ancient Indian mythology envisioned, the ability to understand context, make decisions, and execute complex tasks autonomously. Kabal, the strategic thinker. Named after the Sanskrit word for intelligent, Cabal represents the strategic and military applications of robotics. Ancient Indian texts describe robotic assassins that pursued and eliminated those who tried to steal robotic secrets, demonstrating sophisticated tracking and combat capabilities. In 2025, we see similar strategic thinking in autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, that handle complex logistics operations, using sensors and AI to navigate dynamic environments and reduce reliance on human labor. The strategic intelligence that Cabal embodies is now manifested in drones used for border surveillance, disaster response, and national security applications. These systems can operate in hazardous environments where human access is limited, such as oil rigs, power plants, and disaster zones. Just as the ancient robotic guardians were programmed to protect sacred relics indefinitely, modern autonomous systems demonstrate the same unwavering dedication to their programmed missions, enhanced by AI capabilities that allow them to adapt to changing circumstances while maintaining their core objectives. Tanvik, the royal innovator. Tanvik, meaning king in Sanskrit, represents the leadership role that robotics will play in shaping our future. The ancient story of King Ajatasattu, who used robot guardians to protect Buddha's relics, mirrors how modern leaders and organizations are deploying autonomous systems to safeguard their most valuable assets. In 2025, we're witnessing the rise of advanced air mobility, AAM systems, and eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that promise to revolutionize transportation in urban areas. Tanvik embodies this royal vision of technology serving humanity at the highest levels. Just as ancient kings employed robot guardians for protection, modern applications include medical robots performing remote surgeries with unprecedented precision, robotic exoskeletons helping paralyzed individuals walk again, and surgical robots capable of microsurgeries with unmatched accuracy. The integration of AI-powered vision systems allows these robots to adapt to different parts or environments on the fly, demonstrating the same divine-like capabilities that ancient texts attributed to robots created by Vishwakarma, the Hindu engineer god. Vyom, the sky guardian. Our final character is Vyom, meaning sky, representing the aerial future of robotics and drone technology. The ancient Indian epics describe flying chariots and self-navigating vehicles that could traverse vast distances autonomously. Today, this vision is becoming reality through advanced drone capabilities that extend far beyond simple remote control. In 2025, drones equipped with AI can predict environmental changes, perform precision agriculture tasks, and execute search and rescue missions with minimal human oversight. Vyom represents the limitless potential of aerial robotics. The global robotics market is expected to reach $310 billion by 2025, driven by increasing demand for automation and advances in AI, sensors, and materials. Modern drones demonstrate the same autonomous navigation capabilities that ancient texts described in their flying vehicles, the ability to make real-time decisions, adapt to changing conditions, and execute complex missions without constant human intervention. The convergence, ancient wisdom meets modern innovation. The remarkable parallels between ancient Indian robotic mythology and modern AI developments suggest that human imagination has long anticipated the technological capabilities we're achieving today. The concept of Bhuta Vahana Yantra, spirit movement machines, perfectly describes the autonomous, intelligent systems that are revolutionizing industries in 2025. The integration of AI and robotics is creating machines that truly embody the spirit movement that ancient texts described. Modern robots equipped with generative AI can simulate scenarios, make autonomous decisions, and even demonstrate emotional recognition in human-robot interactions. This patent landscape mirrors the ancient concern with protecting robotic secrets that we see in Indian mythology, where robot makers were forbidden to reveal their knowledge and were pursued by mechanical assassins if they attempted to share their craft. In 2025, patents covering AI-powered robotics, collaborative robot safety mechanisms, and drone automation technologies represent some of the most valuable intellectual property in the world. As we've journeyed with Kushagra, Meda, Praxi, Cabal, Tanvik, and Vyom through the landscape of ancient wisdom and modern innovation, We've discovered that the future of robotics and drones isn't just about technology. It's about fulfilling humanity's eternal dream of creating intelligent companions and guardians. The ancient Indian concept of Bhuta Vahana Yanta continues to inspire and guide our development of AI-powered systems that can think, adapt, and serve. The convergence of ancient imagination and modern capability suggests that we're entering an era where the boundaries between human and artificial intelligence will continue to blur, creating new possibilities for collaboration, exploration, and problem-solving. As we look toward the future, the wisdom embedded in these ancient stories reminds us that true innovation comes not just from technological advancement, but from understanding the deeper human needs and aspirations that drive us to create. If this journey through ancient robotics and modern AI fascinated you, hit that subscribe button because next week, we're diving deep into how Viom's Sky Kingdom is becoming reality with the latest eVTOL technologies and urban air mobility systems. What ancient legend do you think we should explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to ring that notification bell to join our community of tech mythology explorers.